Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. If you guys have a Ford with the EcoBoost V6 engine 3.5 3.7 guys, and you're trying to locate and replace water pumps, stay with us. We will explain today what needs to be done. So let's start on it now. So that EcoBoost engine guys, the V6 EcoBoost, has been used on so many vehicles, okay? Even if it's not the turbo engine, okay, it's still 3.7, 3.5. The procedure is about the same guys, and we're going to explain where that pump is located today mostly, and how to get to it for a replacement. Now the whole video will be on the channel, we'll have a video on the channel, so check it out. Now, we'll be demonstrating here guys on a Ford Edge which has that V6 engine, okay? Same engine, same design. Now, let us show you how much work we had to put to get to that water pump. Again, the whole video is on the channel, check it out. But you need to guys remove upper intake, okay, upper intake, lower intake here. Why you have to do that? Because the coolant pipe runs through here. That's your coolant pipe. I'm talking about this coolant pipe for the water pump, okay, right here. You can see that needs to be removed. After that guys, you have to remove valve covers, front and rear valve covers. You can see just like that, both of them out of the way. Then you need to remove the crankshaft pulley and all the belts. Okay, in our case we have two belts, depending on the model you might have different belts. And once you do that, we have guys that timing cover, that side engine timing cover. Now this timing cover, another reason we decided to make the video for you is the reason, okay, why we decided to make that video, because that thing is extremely easy to break. And we did break ours, so we had to order a new one to come in. It's very thin, paper thin, and as a result guys, if you pry on it to try to unglue it from the engine because it's glued with silicone, you're going to crack it. So take your time, be careful guys with that. You can see ours, we did break it all the way. Usually if it cracks, it just cracks all the way. Now once you did all that guys, you will get to the timing chains, okay, timing chains and everything here, and you will have to remove all the timing chain components like guides, tensioner, the variable timing solenoid with the housing, and the timing chain itself, because that, okay, that water pump guys is located between the V of the engine, okay, right here. That's where it goes. That's where that thing goes guys. It has only 8 bolts, okay, not much. It has only 8 bolts, so once you get to it, it's super simple to replace. It's just these bolts. But you can see whoever decided to put it there, terrible idea, but it's there guys. So hopefully the video will help you figure what you need to do if you want to do the job yourself. The whole video from start to finish, check it out, it's on the channel. But it's very long video guys, and every time you put new pump, I recommend to put new seals and put new timing chain as well. So thank you for watching guys, please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.